about 38 to 40 countries all around the globe. So this is called a Stellar series helmet, which is basic from SMK, and these are of single visor, outer single visor, and comes with 3 more variants of the outer visor. It comes with mirror finish, with the rain finish, and the plain black finish. And to the this is called as the Stellar helmet. It comes by default clear visor from the company, and it has a 3 anti-fog pin lock film insert to this helmet, and it is easily removable. Within seconds you can remove the visor and get it cleaned up all the time whenever you require. It's full of dust, and this also has a 3 layer of cushioning inside, which comes in 2 shells, and this is all removable, washable, and also you can install your own Bluetooth sets, which is for your intercom and all other requirements.
This is a matte finish.
Yeah, this is a matte finish one, and it comes in the price range of 4,100. So there are multiple color options for you guys. So you can just select anything out of this row, and on their own website also. So we get all the sizes starting from extra small, small, medium, large, XL and double XL. So next version is the SMK Twister. So this is the same full face helmets, and again this has an air ventilation at the top and at the bottom, and also this also comes with a pre-anti-fog film inserted to it. It's called as Pinlock 30, and this has a dual visor option in it for your sun controller, and also this is more into comfort wise. This is one of the best, and gives you good compatible with the Bluetooth option. And SMK also have designed their own Bluetooth where the device gets fixed over. Steelbird helmets, which is very newly launched. These are called Steelbird robot helmet, where you just got to click one single button, the visor gets flipped up easily, and this is very good in the price range of 2,500 rupees. So I would recommend if customer has some kind of a budget within 2,500. This is a very good helmet and good strongest.
This is for you can use for daily use.
Yeah, for a daily commuting. This is the best helmet according to mine. And then again, Steelbird has come out with a new aeronautic helmet, which is again in the price range of 3,000, 3,500. So this is also a good helmet where you can also install all the Bluetooths, and all the options are being given in this. It's more into aerodynamic and low.
What's it done?
Steelbird Aeronautics. So this is being launched in the Thailand Expo, where Steelbird had organized an event, and this has been launched over there.
So these cushions can be removed?
Yeah, these all are removable cushions. This,
whichever helmet you have are removable cushions?
Yeah, completely. All are removable cushions. You can just rewash it and again reinstall it very easily. So you must be aware of Steelbird Air helmets, very familiar helmets. Then again let us come with Vega, which is a very known popular helmet in South India, and it is a flip-up helmet for your local community. This also comes with removable cheek pads. You can wash it and reinstall it.
So what's the price of these?
So these are in the price range of again 2,000 range to 2,500 range, and then Vega Crux, which comes in the price range of 1,500, 600, 1,800. Depends on the models, the different models. Then we come up with studs again with the dual visor option. This is called a stud shifter helmet, which comes with a dual visor option, and inner velvet finishing liners, which is also a removable and washable parts. We have a multiple color range in this, and also sizes from large and XL. Then we come with the most selling product in studs, called as Studs Thunder, and this is a single visor helmet, all removable inner padding, washable. It comes with an easy removable buckle system, and again in the price range of 1,800. Yeah, this has good air vents over here at the front, the chin part, and over here, and even the GoPro mounts can be installed over here and even over here for all your vlogging kind of parts. Then these are the basic versions in the helmet in the range of 1,000, below 1,000, or within 1,500 range. Then these are the half face helmet for ladies, Usually people prefer the lightweight. So this is a very good helmet from Vega, which has a locking system over here to get it locked from a cable lock to your bike, where there is no space in the scooter or whatever.
So you think it gives a good protection? Or what?
Yeah, this gives a good protection. For a local commute, for a lady ride who doesn't travel much, it is a very good protection.
Okay.
And lighter in weight.
These are all.
And it comes with multiple color range.
No. What is the certification?
This comes with ISI, Indian Standard
ISI.
certification. Yeah. Then also this has come out newly from Steelbird, very newly launched Steelbird Air with dual visor option.
Okay.
This is also ISI certified helmet. Comes with just 1055 grams.
1055.
And it is a made in India product.
These are for kids.
Yeah. Then we have the collections for kids also. So this is from the brand of Strats. It gives you a multiple attractive color for girls and boys both. We have both versions available in our store, and this is in price range of 950. But this doesn't comes with a full face version. This only comes with a half face version as of now. And then this also is an ISI helmet, which is of kids. Yeah. Then let us come out with Struts, another variant which is a flip-up helmet, which is very good in shell quality. I would definitely recommend this for any kind of ride, a basic ride or a small rides within the city or 100 kilometers max. So this is good. Overall, this is a good helmet.
So the visor, this is a normal visor, right?
Yeah, these are the normal helmets. Steelbird is also having a long visor option.
So in this type of visor, like
Yeah.
how will
Yeah, this is very difficult on your night rides. So suppose this is only meant for your daytime use only. It is being mentioned on the visor also. So this is just to protect from the hard sunlight which falls to your retinas and doesn't create any kind of issue. So this is one of the best options for your day night. So for a night ride, this is hard, where there is no lights and everything. This won't be visible easily.
So in that case, what is the other option?
We can put on a clear visor on it. So that can be a good option for your night rides also, for a day and night. Then you know about this all like classic helmets for bullets and everything, Java and bullets and everything. So there's an open face version from Struts, which gives you with the shade, and then with you want it with the glass to cover your front. This is also another option by Vega.
So this is a helmet collection.
Yeah.